Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you grade 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3, the winter sun. SLOs of this lesson are: use few indefinite pronouns. In our previous lesson, we have discussed 3 types of pronouns: personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and possessive pronouns. Now we will discuss indefinite pronouns. Look at the page number 34 of your textbook. We use indefinite pronouns to refer to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. We use pronouns ending in no, in body or one or people, and pronouns ending in thing for things. We use body for people here and thing for things here as pronoun. Look at the example, everybody came at the party. We are referring to the people without saying exactly who they are here. Everybody here referring to the group of people. We don't know exactly who they are. No one cares about me. There is no one specific mentioned here. No one can be anybody, can be any person. It was a bright day, we could see everything. Everything includes so many things around. It doesn't have a specific name here. So it can include anything. Thing is for things. Body and no, one for the people here. Look at here. Somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody. Someone, anyone, no one, everyone. These 2 columns belongs to the people only. And this, the last column here, something, anything, nothing, everything, belongs to the things. Without saying who or what they are. Now look at the exercise of it here. Choose the correct indefinite pronouns to complete each sentence. We have 10 sentences here and 4 options for each sentence. We have to choose the right one, which suitable the most. Look at the first one here. The store is full. We don't need to buy. The store is full. We don't need to buy what? Something. No one and someone is belong to people here. They are talking about the things here. We don't need to buy some things. They don't need to buy anything. Yes, anything, because the store is full. He mentioned that the store is full. We don't need to buy anything. Student, when you will write a sentence, you can figure out the indefinite pronouns very easily here. Look at the second one. I forgot my purse at home. Can give me a bit of money. He just forgot his purse at home, and now he's asking to specific people are not mentioned here. The group of people can be anyone. Can someone? क्या कोई मुझे पैसे दे सकता है? Can someone give me a bit of money? Someone क्या कोई? Everyone तो है, लोग तो ज्यादा है, लेकिन उनमें से क्या कोई मुझे पैसे दे सकता है? No one तो नेगेटिव में आ जाएगा. Anything, think के लिए आ गया. इधर वो people की तरफ रेफर कर रहा है. Look at the third one here. Isma is a very good teacher. Likes and admires her. हर कोई इसकी तारीफ करता है और पसंद करता है. Everyone likes him, no one likes him, something or anything and something is totally wrong because it belongs to the thing group here. So, no one likes him. No, here everyone likes. She's a good teacher. So, the correct option will be the everyone here. Look at the fourth one. I went to Salim's shop this morning, but there was at the shop. Here the Salim shop is specifically mentioned here. So, in the morning he visited, the person, the subject here went to the Salim shop in the morning, but we cannot say there was nothing at the shop. Here the preposition is used for the people here. Always remember that. Yes, no one at the shop. The someone and everyone and nothing will be inappropriate option for this. Look at the fifth one. was ready to go for picnic. Nothing was ready to go for picnic. Anything, no. This sentence here belongs to the people here. Like, what will be the right answer here from both these options? Yes, everyone here. Everyone was ready to go for picnic here. Dear student, I want you to do these sentences by yourself. This is your homework from Summer Pack, page number 17. This is also your homework from Summer Pack, page number 18, and we have an activity here. Revise the indefinite pronouns already read. Find the indefinite pronoun that can be used for persons and things. Persons and things. It's very easy. You can also take help from your textbook. I hope you will do this homework. Thank you.